It's snowing so much this winter.
Yeah, it's a bit inconvenient for driving, but I really love the snow.
Me too. Winter is my favorite season.
If I remember correctly, your son's birthday is in winter, isn't it?
Yes. How did you remember that?
Because I care about you and everything about your life.
Oh, John, I appreciate that, but
Lisa, please don't reject my feelings. I truly love you. Please give me a chance to love you, care for you, and look after you.
you deserve a better woman than me. I'm really not good enough for you.
Love isn't about being good enough or not. It's about loving each other.
But I'm older than you, and I've been married before. You've never been married. You're so much younger than me, and you're successful. If you love me, you'll be at a disadvantage.
Oh, you're so silly to think that way. Please get rid of that idea. I don't care if you're older, if you've been married, or if you have a child. That doesn't matter to me. I love you for who you are, Lisa.
But I'm worried about what your family will think. What will your friends and relatives say when they see us together? Can you handle the gossip?
You're so foolish. I love you, and I only care about what you think and how you feel. I don't care what my family thinks, and my friends and colleagues are even less important. I only care about us.
Oh, John. Maybe it's because you're in love with me that you don't care about those things. But as time goes by, your love for me will fade, and one day you'll care about what people say about me.
Come on, Lisa. Maybe you're still haunted by your first marriage, so you're still too suspicious of everything. I'll prove to you that I truly love you and want to marry you. I'll take care of you and your child. I'll love you like my own son.
Don't make it difficult for me, John.
Your heart is as cold as winter. What made you like that?
You know, getting married once was enough for me. I don't believe in love anymore. I'm not sure if I can be someone's wife again.
We all need love. No one can live without love. Open your heart. Please give me a chance.
John, I have a question.
Ask away. I'm ready to answer any of your questions.
Do you love me because I'm beautiful?
Oh, of course. All men are attracted to beautiful women, and so am I.
If you love me only for my beauty, then that's not real love. That temporary feeling will soon pass.
Let me finish. Yes, at first I was attracted to your beauty when I met you at that party. But later on, I was even more attracted to your personality, your intelligence, and your sense of humor, and especially, you have a kind heart.
How do you know I'm kind? I'm not a good person.
There are things you don't know. I've seen you buy food for the homeless a few times.
Oh, you were following me?
Not following, it's fate, my love. I've seen you on the street many times, and I've seen you buy food for the homeless. From then on, I found you very interesting and wanted to know more about you.
Oh, John, There are plenty of young, beautiful, and attractive women around you.
I know that, but the girl who's willing to give up her breakfast for a homeless person is only you.
But that girl is older than you and has a child. She's poor and currently unemployed.
Come on, my love. I'm sorry for being younger than you. I'm so sorry for that. I'll grow a beard, dye my hair grey to look older. How does that sound?
Come on, I'm about to cry.
I am the one who should be crying. The woman I love keeps rejecting me.
My heart is smelting.
Please open your heart, Lisa. Please accept my love. Give me a chance to love you.
But, John, I'm afraid of getting hurt again.
Let me tell you a story. There was a girl who always carried an umbrella, no matter how beautiful the weather was, and there was no sign of rain.
Why did she carry an umbrella on a sunny day?
Oh, that's a good question. Because she was always worried it would rain, so she carried an umbrella everywhere she went.
Oh, I see.
You're just like that girl. On a sunny day, she doesn't know how to enjoy it. She's always worried about rainy days, even though there's no sign of rain. So she lost all the beautiful sunny days. If you keep worrying about things that might not happen, you'll lose the happy moments of the present.
Oh, I understand what you mean. You want me to stop worrying about things that are uncertain and enjoy the present moment.
That's exactly it, my love. It's silly of you to waste time worrying.
I'll think carefully about what you said.
I'm glad you might be starting to understand what I'm saying. You know, Christmas is a season for love, dating, and family gatherings. Let me be a part of your small family.
Are you free tomorrow, John? I want to buy some Christmas decorations.
Of course, I'm free. I'm very free. I'll pick you up. What time should I come?